Hey class, so I am going to show you guys how you're going to be doing your basic facts for this week. It's very similar to what we did last week, but it looks a little different, right? So I want to talk to you guys about how you're going to be using the tools on the slideshow to help you solve these facts, okay? So if you need help with the facts anyway, if you know them, great. Go ahead and put them in the text box. But I do want to show you guys the tools that you guys will be able to use, all right? So first off, I don't know if you guys know this, but when you look up here, you see where my mouse is? It's a zoom. So you guys can zoom in and zoom out of the slide. And that sometimes helps with the text boxes. Whenever you're zoomed in, you can type into the text box a little better, right? And I know that on your Chromebooks, you guys, your screen, it should be touch screen, and you can zoom in with your hands on there. Now, the only thing I want to say about that is if you guys are eating and you're using your computer, you guys need to be very careful because you're going to end up getting your Chromebook dirty and sticky. And we don't want that to happen. It can mess up our computer. So make sure your hands are clean if you guys are touching the touch screen. All right. Now, you guys can also use just the magnifying glass here, and it will zoom in on the slide. So let me show you. So I'm gonna click it, and now I'm zoomed in to my facts, right? So now I'm gonna practice this one here. So I'm gonna fill this in for you, right? So 3 plus 4. Okay, let me see if I can use my counters to help me. 3 plus 4. So I'm gonna drag 3 of these onto my 10 frame. That's what this is called. It's called a 10 frame because there's how many squares? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so again, I'm gonna put 3 circles, red circles, plus how many? Plus 4. So I'm going to drag 4, and I'm going to use the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do I have now? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guess what? I'm going to go up here. I'm going to double click, and then I'm going to write 7. Okay. And then now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this one. 3 plus 3. Well, I know if I take 1 away from this, right? 4, take away 1, it's a 3. I know it's probably going to be 7 minus 1, and that's 6. So that's one way to think about it. You guys can also go down here and take that circle, move it over, and then you have 3, right? 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Same thing for this one here, right? 3 plus 4. Hold on. This is the same problem, right? 4 plus 3. That's the same as 3 plus 4. So guess what? We already know our answer is, what is it? 7, right? So then you're going to do that for every single one of them, right? And you guys can use these and you can move them around. It doesn't really matter, guys. You can get a little messy with using these. They don't have to be back in this spot. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put them there. And then you guys also have the number line. So you guys can see, you can skip count, right? So like 3 plus 3, right? If I go to 3, well, I found 3, and I'm going to count 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. So you can use the number line as well if you need to. And then you guys need to finish filling out the bottom. And notice, guys, some of them, they repeat. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 6, and 6 plus 5. Those are the same. So you're going to see a lot of them repeating. And that's just going to help us with memorizing them in the end, okay? And to zoom out, you just click here. And you can click on the fit, and it fits it onto your screen, okay? So then you're going to do this last slide, and you're going to do the same thing. And if you need to go back to this slide to use the counters, you guys can. And then you guys also have the 100 chart from our concept lesson from today. So you guys also have a 100 chart that you guys can use to help you count. Okay, so you guys use those tools, use them. Make sure you write your name here as well. All right, I'll see you guys later.